Right, guys, I got a couple of hot deals that I might have missed in my rush to get that other video out. Yes, the installation driver is hackable. So let me walk y'all through it. Of course, we're going to go ratchet here, add them to the cart, and you get it down to $138. Now that is the price for the installation driver with two, I believe they are 2.0s in this kit. Not a bad price at all. Let's clear out the cart, get rid of that nonsense, and you guys are about to see something that I've never seen before. Let's get rid of that and that. All right, so we got here the M12 cordless copper tubing cutter. If you're a plumber, this is an absolute must-have. It goes from 3/8 all the way to 1 inch, cuts square. You don't need to rotate any cutters, tighten any cutters, use any auto cutters. This, it does it all. And it's hackable, which I've never seen before. I definitely got to get me one of these. So you can get the Rover here, but we always use the higher priced item for our hacks. In this case, it would be the 6.0. So go ahead and pick that. Slam them in your cart. And just like that, you get that M12 copper tubing cutter for 59 bucks. I've never seen it that low. I believe the cheapest I've ever seen this bad boy is 88 bucks on a previous hack a while ago. I didn't bite then, but you better believe I'm in on this now. Also, 59 for a 6.0, that's not a terrible price for that battery. So as always, I'll leave these links in the description down below. Have at it, fam. Good luck.